Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a catalyst experiment. I'm just going to put down some house paint. This is Sherwin-Williams Color to Go Hawthorne Black. I'm just going to spread it out with my paintbrush. I got two little 6x6 canvas here. It's canvas boards. They're good for practicing. It's just a test. All right, so what I have here is some paint in a tray. This is Mermaidless Little Piggy. This is a titanium white and some pearl white mixed together, Liquitex. This is DecoArt Enchanted Gold. It doesn't look gold in there, but it's supposed to be white. I actually got some another color mixed in with it, but it should still come out a little gold. So I'm going to try this one and see how it works. I'm going to dip it in. Dip it in some white. We'll see, I don't know. I could try this one. Let's try this one. No, this one doesn't work very good. Nope. Just gonna wipe it off. I'll try that one. Let's go over this spot. I think my paint needs to be a bit thicker. Try this one again. I like this one. This one's pretty good. So I'm going to go straight. Yeah, this one works the best. I think because the bottom of this is a little bit wider than these and these. This one not level properly, so these didn't touch, but this one seems to work good. Well, it works okay. Depends what look you want, but I don't think there's any rules. Okay, I think I'll save this one and let it dry. Am I gonna put it in another room here? I think what I'll do is I'll just go over this, put some more black paint down. Try it a bit thicker. I'm just going to leave that like that. Let's try this again. Ooh, that's a pretty one. right, there you go. That's just an experiment. So try it on a bigger one. If you want it spread out more, then you'd have to get a different catalyst because this one's not the right one. There is a bigger one you can get if you want your spaces bigger, but this one didn't work too bad. Okay, stay tuned for number 3. I'll be doing another one. Hi everyone, well I'm back. I'm going to do another one with a bit of a thicker base. I just poured some black paint down. This is house paint. I think the one I did before maybe didn't have enough paint. I'm not sure. So I'm putting more on this one. See how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna dip it. So the last one I did, I tried, which one did I try? I did this edge. These are cake spreaders. So this one, I think I'll try, I might try this one. The bottoms aren't as pointy, so it might work good. So I'm gonna dip it in some colored paint that I just poured in here. Let's try it. I may just go like this. It's not a very big canvas, so. Okay, I see a big difference. It didn't go right down to the canvas, but it showed up the swirls good. Try the other side. This is all just playing and having some fun. Actually, I like this. I like it better that it doesn't go down to the canvas. I wish, yeah, this could be, this is too small. I need a bigger canvas, but I'm just practicing. Now let's try a different one. So I'll go back to this one that I tried before. So my paint's thicker now. Yeah, you can get some cool effects. This one is that one's not the greatest. Yeah, you can have some fun with this. Now I'm going to see how this dries. All right. Cool.
Thanks for watching. Dried results are coming up.
Hi, everybody. This is my little 6x6 tiles that I practiced my catalyst on. They dried really good. Look at that. They look pretty. I'll have to do some more of these on some big ones. It's pretty cute. Fancy swirls. Possibilities are endless, I guess. All right, have a great day, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.